how to join an English speaking server in Roblox. So the first thing that we need to do is open up Google, just search for BTRoblox. This is a very popular extension here, so just open it up. It has 4 million users, it's completely safe and free, so just click on add extension and it's going to add it to our Google Chrome. Now refresh your Roblox game here, and after we refresh the browser, we'll search for Brookhaven. So like this, and we'll search it for experiences and just load up the game. Now if we scroll down here, you should be able to see a list of all of the different servers along with the ping, but what we actually want to do is click on the gear icon, go into BTR settings, scroll all the way down into the advanced tab, click on it, and then click on game details here, and we will just select region. After we have done this, click on the X, or just exit out of it, refresh your page, and now here it will show you all of the different regions. So we'll exclude full regions, and basically you want to find a United States server, so region United States, Miami, Florida in this case, and it should be an English speaking region. So that's basically how you do it. That's how you find English servers in Roblox. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.